Hello, my cutie pies. Welcome to yet another session of Easy Maths, where we understand different topics of maths in an easy and simple way. So, without wasting any time, let's get on to today's topic. Today, we will be adding 3-digit numbers using two methods. One will be the everyday maths method and the other will be the Vedic Maths method. So let's take one example. We will be adding two 3-digit numbers. Let me first write the places on the top. So here we have two 3-digit numbers which we are going to add by using our simple carrying over method which we apply in our daily lives. So I have simply written the numbers vertically, and first I'll be adding the ones place digits. At the ones place we have 7 and 4. 7 is a bigger number, so bigger in my mind and smaller on my fingers. Always keep this rule in mind. It will give you quick answer and it will give you the accurate answer while adding. Bigger in your mind and smaller on your fingers. So bigger is 7, so 7 in my mind and 4 on my fingers. And I'll count forward. 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 1 will stay here and 1 will be carried over. Now I need to add the tens place digits. So first I'll look out for the biggest number out of these 3 digits. So the biggest is 9. So 9 in my mind and I'll count forward 4 on my fingers. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13 in my mind and 1 on my finger. So the answer will be 14. Now 4 will stay here and 1 will be carried over. Now out of these 3, the biggest is 8. So 8 will be in my mind. Now I am adding the hundreds place digits. So 8 in my mind and 7 on my fingers. And I'll count forward. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's not forget the carried over digit. That is 1. So 15 plus 1 will be 16. So my answer over here is 1641. Now let's see the Vedic Maths method, which is obviously a little more speedy. It is more easy to learn. It will give you accurate answers, logical answers. It will develop your mental maths. It will save your time, and above all, it is going to build up and boost your self-confidence. So let's add the 3-digit numbers, the same 3-digit numbers using Vedic Maths method. Now, in Vedic Maths, I'll be using these two same numbers, but instead of writing them vertically, I'll be writing them horizontally. I'll be writing them in a sleeping line. Alright? So I'm writing here 847 plus 794. So you can see I'm using the same numbers. Alright? Now the trick is I'll be adding the first most digit of both the numbers, the cornermost digit of both the numbers, that is 8 and 7. Again, our very own rule, bigger in mind, smaller on fingers. So 8 in my mind and 7 on my fingers, and I'll count forward 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll write here 15. Now the next step is to add the second most digit of both the numbers. The second most digits are again 4 and 9, and again bigger in my mind and smaller on my fingers. So 9 is going to be in my mind and 4 on my fingers. and I'll count forward 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'll be writing 13 in this way. I have to write the sum of the first two cornermost digits on the top, then second digits under it in this way. You have to look at the way I am writing the numbers. Now I'll be adding the last third digit of both the numbers, that is 7 and 4. So 7 is going to be in my mind and 4 on my fingers, and I'll count forward 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 I'll be writing here like this. This is the trick that you need to follow. You need to add the first digit of both the numbers, then second digit of both the numbers, then third digit of both the numbers, but you need to write them like this in slanting way, and it will definitely going to save your time, and it is more easy and accurate. I mean, the chances of errors are less in this method. So let's add this again. 1 I'll write here, 3 plus 1, 3 in my mind, 1 on my finger, 4, 5 in my mind, 1 on my finger, 6, and this one will come as it is. So I have got the same answer by using both the methods, but it is more easy and more quick. So this is all about Vedic Maths trick of adding 3-digit numbers. You can apply this trick in adding different numbers, and you will see the difference. It is more quick and easy. Bye-bye for now. Take care, and we will see you in yet another session. Take care.